Everybody, I'm here to do an unboxing of the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro rechargeable LED lamp. If you've watched my previous video, you see this. I got this in a ginormous haul. I have been waiting anxiously to get this, as it should have been released last year and it didn't get to the UK until just recently. So without further ado, I want to open this up. This is the box it comes in. It's got a nice little handle here and there's your instructions at the back, so it comes in quite nice packaging. And now I've just got to figure out how, oh there we are, it flips open there. So, and here is the gorgeous lamp, and it's absolutely stunning. It's quite lightweighted, so that's your actual lamp you get. And then here is your plug, your sort of paperwork and your bottom sheet, your bottom plate. Now the reason I wanted this is less wires. Eventually I would like two of them to replace my CND lamp and I would be made up. So this just slides in, she says. It's quite a firm fit. And that's it. And then on this side where you've got the handle, like this actual lamp is perfect for people who are actually mobile. I'm not mobile as I don't drive, but I did actually want this so that I didn't have to have all the wires on my desk, especially on the opposite side. So I'm quite happy to use my CND one on one side, but this is going to eradicate any wires, like I keep saying. So you just switch it on there, and I was hoping there was going to be some battery life, and there is. And you can see like there's no wires, not even charged this up yet. And then you've got a 15 second, 30 seconds, 60 seconds and a low heat mode on 90 seconds. Now if I just put my hand in there, it just automatically clicks on and clicks off, which is great. There's fans in there. It actually feels quite nice. It's very spacious. I do have a few ladies that do struggle with my C&D lamp because of the placement, although I can see on this bottom plate here there is finger placements, but I'm thinking it's not going to be as essential as it is with the essential lamp. And I love that it lights up blue here, and I really like just this fancy decoration here. It's little details and it looks really pretty. So I'm just going to check to see if it actually comes with a UK plug, but I'm guessing it won't. And I'm right, it doesn't. It actually comes with the 2-pin plug, but it's no matter because I have got plenty converters, and if you haven't and you want to get this lamp, you can pick them up from the pound shop. So that's my unboxing of the Kiara Sky. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got one, please let me know what you feel about this lamp. So see you soon. Bye.